In this video, we will discuss the risk assessment process. A threat has the potential to cause harm, and when a threat has a matching vulnerability, there is a risk. Risk management is the process of assessing, analyzing, and prioritizing risks to an organization and making a strategy to mitigate those risks. And risk assessment is a subset of risk management. In risk assessment, we assess risks, categorize them, and define the potential impact of each risk. What is the difference between risk management, risk assessment, and risk analysis? We have already discussed that in a separate video. Interested viewers may find the link in the description. The risk assessment process consists of the following steps: risk identification, risk analysis, and risk evaluation. Let's try to understand each of these steps in more detail. Risk identification is the first step of the risk assessment process. In the risk identification step, we identify risks and describe them. Please note that we need to consider risks that are under control as well as those that are not under control. Risk analysis is the second step of the risk assessment process. In this step, we identify the nature of the risks. In this phase, we usually try to understand the sources of risks, the likelihood of events, consequences if the risks occur, etc. In the risk evaluation step, we compare the results of the risk analysis and look at the organization's risk criteria to determine what we need to do to treat the risk. For example, we can choose to do nothing, consider implementing various controls, or reconsider the organization's objectives. Sometimes we may also want to return to the risk analysis phase to understand the risk in a better way. What are controls in information security? We have already discussed that on the website of the security body. Interested viewers may find the link in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the security body or refer to the playlist Information Security. The security body also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.